Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, now I'm going to continue our story about Frank Mitchum, the ex-prisoner. Well, this story is related to the use of simple past tense. Well, as usual, after the story, I'm going to ask you some question about it. Now, listen to me carefully. Yesterday, Frank tried to apply for a job in a radio factory. He went to the factory by bus. He sat down in a big room and waited. There were many people in the room. They all wanted to work in the factory. Then a man came into the room and said, "Follow me, please." They went to an office and sat down. The man asked Frank a lot of questions. Frank answered them. Okay, now the questions. What did Frank do yesterday? Did he apply for a job in a shoe factory? Did he go to the factory by train? Then, how did he go to the factory? Did he sit down in a big room? Then, were there many other people in the room? Did they all want to work in the factory? Then, did a man come into the room? What did he say? Did they go to an office and sit down? Did the man ask Frank a lot of questions? The last question. Did Frank answer them? Alright. I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.